Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and around here, we don't hustle for success. We build soft, profitable businesses that flow with faith, clarity, and strategy. In today's video, I want to share 3 online business skills every woman needs to learn right now, especially if you want to make income from home, build a brand with purpose, and create something that will grow while you rest. I break each one down simple, okay, with practical steps, mindset shifts, and how I personally use these skills every single day in my publishing and digital product business. So go ahead and grab your favorite drink and let's get into today's video. And I'm jumping right into the first skill. Okay, so the first skill is digital marketing. And no, I do not mean posting cute quotes on Instagram and hoping for sales. Digital marketing is how you get your work seen and sold online. And here's the truth: you can write the most beautiful book, you can create the best course, or you can have a product that people need, right? Like generally need your product. But if you don't know how to market it online, it will sit in silence and it will collect dust. Here are the 3 core pieces of digital marketing that every woman needs to learn as soon as possible. And the first one is email marketing. All right, you have to have a email list because your email list is your digital asset. It's how you build those real relationships. It also helps you to learn how to write emails that connect, that nurture, that convert your audience to buyers. You should be building an email list from the beginning. Like right now, when someone goes to your content, whether you're on YouTube, whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on Instagram, people should be able to have an opportunity to either download something free, join a newsletter, get a free copy of your book. They should go on a email list. Okay, that should be a non-negotiable. We're building our email list here in 2025 and beyond because that is your number one business asset. Number 2 is content creation. You got to learn how to create content. Okay, that's whether it's here on YouTube, on Pinterest, or maybe you like to blog. You need to create content that serves and sells. Yes, you need to make money. So you don't need to go viral. You just need to be valuable. I'm going to tell you, I never, ever, ever, ever talk about going viral. I don't care about going viral. What I care about is creating content like videos like these that will reach the women that need to be reached, okay, that love me, that feel my vibe, that really want to go to the next step. And more than likely, what you will see in the description, I have a free masterclass. I have where you could just join my email list. I have those opportunities so that later on, whether you buy from me now or later, you will be on my email list where I can communicate with you on a daily or weekly basis. So you see how those work together. You definitely want to have that content. The content should go to the email list. I hope that's connected. 3, you need to have a sales system. So you need to learn how to set up a simple funnel, something like number 1, freebie, number 2, low offer, and then core offer. Freebie starts with the email list, and then you can introduce the low offer, and then you can introduce the core offer. What I teach, especially when it comes to writing and publishing mini her books, our mini her books serve as the beginning of the funnel. So it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be a free book. You can start with a free ebook, all right, and then go to the paid book, and then go to a low ticket offer, and then a mid ticket offer, however you want to do that. But in the collective, I teach women how to create simple, absolutely simple funnels. Okay, so I don't want you to think funnels is this whole big thing. You got to be all this techie person. Absolutely not. There are simple ways to do this. You just got to do it and get connected. These digital marketing skills are what allows you to work once and earn over time. So that's the secret that everybody is talking about. Is how I sell books, digital products. Is how I sell things without live luncheon every single month. I follow these exact things that I am telling you to do. And you know this because what am I doing? Creating content. And what am I going to do at the end of this video? Come on, get you to join my free masterclass that I have. So I want you to watch what I do, but also I want you to emulate what I do. It's no secret to how I do things here on the internet. But I want you to see, I want you to watch because it's really not a secret. Okay. All of your favorite gurus, all of the people that you following are doing the same thing. You just got to not only watch, but you got to take action and get connected. All right, so let's talk about the second skill every woman needs in this digital economy, and that is writing. Okay. And I'm not talking about not just good grammar or long captions. I'm talking about strategic, purposeful writing that builds connection and converts to income. Now, here is where writing becomes your secret weapon. Number one, book writing. Okay. Writing a book position you as an expert. It builds trust. It creates passive income. My whole brand is built around short books, in which I call them mini her books. These 40 to 60 page books open doors, brought in clients, and change lives, including my own. Number two is content marketing again. Okay. This is writing the emails, blog posts, captions, articles that lead people back to your products and services. So if you can clearly explain your story, your solution, your system, you can sell anything. I mean, absolutely anything online. Number three is publishing. Okay. This is where your writing becomes a real product. So whether you are self-publishing your book, creating a digital workbook, selling journals, publishing is the bridge between what you know and what they can buy. So if you're called to write, now is the time to do it and do it strategically. Now, let's get into the third skill. And this is absolutely essential in 2025 and beyond. And it's AI. Artificial intelligence. Listen, I love the soft life. I love rest. I love family time. And AI is one of the tools that helps me to honor my energy while still moving my business forward. So here's how I use AI in my business every single day. Number one is book writing support. Okay. I'm not ashamed of that because I use AI to outline, to brainstorm, and even polish chapters for my mini her book. It doesn't replace me, it accelerates me. I have learned how to program AI to sound like me. Okay. So I'm not ashamed of that to say that because I know so many writers, people that are writing books, like to throw a little shade as if because, they are writing their own books. That's great. I think that's amazing. I'm not new to this writing thing. I've been writing books since 2014. So there's nothing wrong with that. However, I do want to emphasize that AI is here to help you to leverage. You program AI and not AI is programming you. Number two is what we've been talking about all day, content. So content assistance. This is what AI can help you with, from writing video scripts to captions. Like AI gives you that starting point so you never have to stare at a blank screen. Like there's no reason why you should not be using AI in this day and time. It is a very useful tool. No, it will not replace you, but again, you program it to sound like you. I use it for design plus a publishing tool. So AI helps with book cover designs, titles, subtitle testing, and so much more. Tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and others have made it so easier than ever before to bring your ideas to life. So if you're not learning how to use AI, how to prompt it, you are choosing the slow route. And I believe God is inviting us into wisdom and stewardship, not struggle. The struggle is over. You have the opportunity to create things faster than ever before. So it's no longer am I hearing the excuse that I've been sitting on my book for years. I don't know where to start to get it written. Like, you have AI to start. Yes, you do have to learn how to prompt, which I built a AI tool just for mini her books. You can learn about that in the description inside the mini her book starter kit. Like, I've been hearing great reviews about that. Women are using my AI tool to write their books faster, and it sounds exactly like them. All my AI tool is just follow the framework in which you can follow to write a mini her book. So it gives you that framework in which you can go in and get your book done quickly. Okay. So I'm not just telling you this just to tell you. This is what I do. This is how I run my business. This is why I believe we are living in such a huge and amazing time to make things happen and make them happen faster. So if you're just starting your online business, or you're trying to grow one that you already have, learn these three skills: digital marketing, writing, and AI. These are the tools that build soft businesses, scalable income, and sustainable impact. If you are ready to learn them with mentorship, a done for you product, and real systems that are already in place for you, I want to invite you to watch my free training, The Soft Way to Publish: How to Finally Write Your Book and Make It Work for You. Inside this free class, you are going to learn the truth, the absolute truth, why most inspiring authors never finish their books. Why shorter books written with AI support are outperforming traditional books, and how you can write your book fast, publish it with ease, and profit in so many ways. So I want you to click the link in the description to go ahead and get started in that free class. You will get access right away. I hope that this video really helped you, and know that you already carry the gift. It's time to build the business that helps you to carry you forward. And yes, we are doing that here in 2025 by mastering these three skills. Okay. So I cannot wait to see you in the free training. I hope that you enjoy, and yeah, let's get it. We have work to do, and we have lives to impact. Okay, so listen, if you like this video, go ahead, and would love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you love me, binge watch any of my content, you will see I really do this for real. Okay, and I'm here to serve you. So go ahead and like this video as well, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell, so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Okay, so I'll see you in the free training. I'll talk to you soon. Until the next time, bye.